In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a list to another board in Trello. This process is straightforward, quick and perfect for those looking to streamline their workflow and manage tasks efficiently. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we need to be logged into Trello. Start by clicking on the login option on the Trello homepage. If you don't have an account already, you might need to sign up. However, for this tutorial, we'll assume you've got your account ready. Once you've clicked on login, it's time to choose your method of logging in. For the ease and speed of access, click on the Google option. A list of your Google accounts will appear, allowing you to select the one associated with your Trello account. Simply click on your desired account and you're good to go. Just like that, you're logged in. Now that you're inside your Trello workspace, the next step is to navigate to the specific board containing the list you want to copy. You can do this by heading to the main dashboard of Trello and selecting the board. For today's demonstration, let's say we're using a test board labeled as deletable board. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're inside the board, you'll see all your lists laid out in front of you. Locate the list you wish to copy. Here's where the magic happens. Within the list you want to copy, look for three small dots, often referred to as the More options, usually found at the top right corner of the list. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with a number of actions you can perform on the list. In this drop-down menu, you'll find an option reading Copy List. When you click on that, Trello will ask you to name the new list. This is a perfect moment to make any necessary adjustments to your list name, ensuring it suits its upcoming purpose on the new board. Once you're happy with it, look for the button that says Create List. Clicking on this button will confirm and create a copy of your list. All that's left is to navigate to the new board where you want this list to be. The copied list will be available and editable as you need, allowing you to seamlessly incorporate it into your new workflow. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to copy a list from one Trello board to another. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Be sure to experiment with different projects and this method to find what works best for you. Don't forget to like and share if you found this video useful, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your digital workspace work for you. Until next time, take care and happy organizing.